Hi guys, I'm Dr. Kapil Kishore, and today I'll be teaching you how to make movement figure female 3/4 view. So take your grading scale and draw a line, straight line on 90-degree angle, and mark 10 heads as one head equals to 1¼ inches. So let's mark 0, 1 inch and 2 blocks. Total 10 blocks we have to mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So after marking 10 heads, now we have to mark the sub levels. For sub levels, first we have to mark 1½, then 4¼ then 9 to 10 we convert into 4 parts. So 9 to 10 is 10 blocks. So 10 blocks first we convert into half as 5 blocks as 9½. Then upper half is 5 block. So we mark 2½ block and lower half also 2½ blocks. So 9¼ and 9 3/4. So 9 and 10 we convert into 4 parts. Now after this we shift the center front. So shifting of center front is again with the same idea that body is turned towards one particular side, and the levels we marked on the line, balance line, we have to shift to center front. So from balance line to center front, 4¼ 4, 3, 2 and 1½ is the same point, right? So after this much, let's discuss the measurement part. Shoulder, shoulder line, bust line, waistline and hip line, arm and palm. So shoulder, as you know that we have taken 1 3/4 inches, bust line 1 inches, waistline 1 inches, hip line 1½ inches, arm 3½ inches arm plus 1 inches palm and foot also. So palm and foot 1 inches and arm 3½ inches, right? So when this particular measurement we convert into 3/4 view, so we will not divide this particular measurement into equal 2 parts. One side will be less visible and one side will be more visible. So we divide this, one side measurement is less and one side measurement is more, but the total measurement when you add both the parts, that will be 1 3/4. So in minus side less visible and plus side more visible, I am writing the measurements. So 1 3/4, 3/4 inches less visible side and 1 inches more visible side. In 1 inch we have 8 blocks. So we can go for 3 blocks one side and 5 blocks the more visible side, the other side. This is also 1 inch, so 3 blocks and 5 blocks. And here 1.5. So half inches will be too less for less visible side. So in half inches you have 4 blocks. So we take 5 blocks. 1 block we add in this, and from 1 we remove 1 block. So 1 inches you have 8 blocks. So that will remain 7 blocks, right? So this is how we have to convert the measurement part. So let's start the measurement horizontal lines. Shoulder level is 1.5 level. Bust level is level 2. Waist level is level 3. Hip level is level 4. And arm level is again 1.5. Right? So from third level, I am starting the waistline. So waistline is 3 blocks one side, that is less visible side, and 5 blocks plus side, that is more visible side. So on what basis we decide that which is the less visible side and which is the more visible side? The side we shift the center front, that is always the less visible side, because the rotation is that side only. So 3 blocks and 5 blocks, 4 and 5. And that we have to mark from center front line, right? So again hip line is 5 blocks and 7 blocks. So 5 blocks and 7 blocks, right? And 1.5, that is shoulder. Shoulder is 3/4 means 6 blocks, and 1 inch means 8 blocks. So 3/4 6 blocks and 1 inch is 8 blocks. And similarly, parallel to shoulder line, there is a line, bust line. So bust line is 3/4 block and 5 blocks. So 3 blocks and 5 blocks. So this is the way we have to mark all these horizontal lines. So now we have to start the leg part. So one corner of the hip line to the ankle level, we mark balancing leg. So ankle level here we have marked 9.25 level, right? And the corner of the hip line. The another ankle we have to mark on 9.5 level with a certain gap, ankle to ankle, approximately 2.5 inches. So just take a point and draw this to this point to another point of the hip line, right? And in 3/4 view, one leg foot will be straight in front view 1 inches, and another leg foot will be in side view. So we mark 5 blocks plus 3 blocks. So 5 and 3 is also 8 blocks, right? So this is the way we have done the lower part. Now the important part in this is that we have to measure the length of the leg and convert into half for the knee. So this is coming as 6 inches 6 blocks. So 3 inches and 3 blocks will be the mid part that we have to mark for the knee. And here also this is 7 inches, so 3.5 is the midpoint. So this is the way we have done the foot part and basic torso part. Now we have to start with the arm. So arm measurement, as I have told you, that arm measurement is 3.5. So 1, 2, 3.5 this way, and plus 1 inches we have to mark as in a different angle, and this 3.5 also we have to convert into half for elbow. So that is 1 3/4. And this side we can take 1 3/4, the first half, and the second half also 1 3/4. Remember that the wrist point, this wrist point should be out from this shaping, the body, right? And here also we can draw the same ratio as 5 blocks and 3 blocks, this way. So that's how we have to complete. As you can see that we have done with the stick figure of 3/4 view. This is the full view with the measurement, right? So